Hello everyone, this is my response video. So I'm going to use the Infogram tool to create infographics and reports. It was shared by Alexander. So I'm gonna try to create an infographic using this program. So I have already created my account. So I'm gonna get log in and gonna use my Google account to open my account here. Is very easy to open the account. You just need an email address and some information and to create password. So once you're here, you can see all the templates. You can pick infographics, reports, slides, dashboards, Facebook posts, posters. So it's very it has a lot of resources here, a lot of designs. I've been working on this three before. Today I'm going to try to pick a new one in order to go from the beginning to try to use everything. So I think a pro of this website is that it is very it has a really good design, looks really professional, and gives you a lot of options. So that's a pro. So I'm going to try to use an infographic template. So you have all the templates here. So these are the free ones, and then right here it has the green flag here is the one. They're the ones you need to pay in order to use them, and they're like new and nice designs. So let's pick the free one. So I liked. So this tool is so right here, so you can pick public on the web and private. I think this is nice, but I would say also it's a con, because yeah, everything is gonna be public. So if you want to create something to share privately, you will need to upgrade to pay in order to do that. So well, so everything is gonna be on the web. So you create one. Right here you have the place where you can edit. So you have all the elements here. So you can add text, you can add a chart, add a map, graphics, and shapes. You have some other integrations. So you can add a link to all this, which is very useful. That's also a pro. And then what I think is sometimes it's difficult is that it's difficult to understand is that it looks like a design program. So if you've worked with some design programs, so it has a lot of reference lines and everything. We could be a little how to say difficult to understand for people who don't have any background or experience with design elements. Also, if you have a look to the organization of this panels and everything, looks like a design program, like Photoshop or yeah, any design program. So it could be a little bit scary for people who want to do something easy and simple. So it has a lot of elements, and it is good. It's a pro that you can almost edit any detail. Sometimes it's overwhelming if you want to do just a quick presentation. So right here an example is that you're gonna change this image and you think there are four, but it's just one, so you gotta be careful whenever you change the image. You can change that right here using any of the preloaded images, or you can upload the one you want. That is something that you gotta be careful. I used another template, it was the same thing. The shape was different, so like I didn't get the result I want to get. So this is kind of easy. You can edit here the text, so it's easy. Right here, these are charts, so you gotta be careful because maybe you can get confused and you may think it is just a drawing or something, or a picture, but actually it's a chart. So if you want to change any element, so you gotta click on that and then you gotta edit them using numbers. Another common thing is that it could be a little confusing, all these columns and rows, just to change one element. So yeah, if you put a number here, so it won't change, it change everything, but it's gonna change kind of the whole thing. So you gotta be careful, because if you don't know how to use these numbers, so you're gonna kind of change the whole thing. So that's why yeah, it's easy if you just use this number, so you can change. But if you want to do kind of a matrix or a different or more complex chart, you gotta be careful with the way you put the data here. So this one has two, so you have, because you have a graphic with two axes. So yeah, so that's why you have this. So you gotta have a little knowledge of graphics in order to edit it and to create to get the results you want to get. But anyways, if you were, I mean, it's a great tool if you were showing results. Actually, is a good option if you don't want to use typical Excel charts, and if you don't like those spreadsheets, so you can use this program, which is online. You can also share, and you can add people to edit the same document at the same time, so you can work together, which is also a pro. I think it's very interesting when you are trying to prepare a report as a team. And so I think it's pretty good. The other thing I think I believe is a con is that the size of the infograph. So it is created for online posting. So that's why if you want to print it, it's gonna be it's gonna be a challenge, because it doesn't fit like a regular page. So you will have to see how to manage that. So right here, if you download it, you have to upgrade to download. That's a problem. So you also have print vector PDF. Again, the dimensions right here, you can check the dimensions. But if you're not really good like checking on dimensions and everything, so it's gonna be difficult to get a nice printed version of the work you have created. So and anyways, if you want to print it directly from this website, you'll need to download and you need to pay for that. So if you share it, you will have a like a URL access, but you will have to print it as a regular internet page, which is difficult to as I said, to make it fit to a page. But yeah, but overall, this is a great tool if you want to create a like really professional look infographics and reports. It's very nice. I really like that, and thank you, Alexander, for sharing this tool. I'm not sure if I can use this in my my material, but it is very nice to get to know this free tools that you can access online. Thank you very much, and yeah, and this is my response video for Alexander's tool. And yeah, thank you very much. Bye bye.